Hi, I'm Marcus Bethea from the Riviera Spa Massage in Kissimmee, Florida.
Hi, and I'm Crystal Bethea, his wife.
And we are here at the Leap Ahead Seminar visiting Dory. We met Dory 2 years ago at a expo in Orlando, Florida. We came to previous events that she had, and now we're back joining her and the team. We are part of the Platinum Experience and also Diamond members.
Yes.
Highly recommend this for any and everybody who has a day spa or medi spa. It is totally necessary. We highly recommend it if you want to push your business ahead and be very, very successful.
Absolutely. I mean, this is going to help us with the onboarding process and everything to step us away from the mom and pop organization to more of a franchise type opportunity. So thank you so much, Dory. We recommend all.